Begin the lying abductor stretch. Slowly spread your legs wide, following the green lines. Hold this position for 90 seconds, breathing deeply and relaxing into the stretch. Lie down on your back with your legs extended. Place a small folded towel under your head and lower back for comfort. Now, take a few, expand your belly and chest, and exhale to release tension.
Lie on your back with legs straight and spread apart. Now, bend both knees, keeping your feet on the mat. Slide your heels toward your sit bones, about 12 to 18 inches away.
Bring the soles of your feet together to touch, forming a diamond shape with your legs. Let your knees point outward naturally. If your knees are far from the floor, that's fine. Gravity will do the work over time. Allow gravity to guide the drop. Do not push or force them. Relax to create the stretch. You should feel a mild to moderate opening sensation in the inner thighs. Refine alignment and awareness. Keep your feet connected, soles touching or close. Once in position, settle in for the 90-second hold. With each exhale, let the knees drop a fraction further.
Check shoulders and neck. Relax them, keeping them away from your ears. For your lower back, keep it neutral. If it's arching, check your hips are even on the mat, with no twisting.
After holding for 90 seconds, if comfortable, gently enhance the stretch. Place your hands on your inner knees. Apply subtle downward pressure or rock your pelvis minimally to explore the release. After holding the stretch, inhale deeply. On your exhale, use your hands to gently guide your knees back together. Move mindfully, keeping the motion slow and controlled. After holding the stretch, inhale deeply. On your exhale, use your hands to gently guide your knees back together. Move mindfully, keeping the motion slow and controlled. Straighten your legs and rest. Extend them straight out on the mat. Lie still for a moment, noticing the warmth in your inner thighs and more space in your hips. Hug your knees to your chest and rock gently from side to side.
For bilateral stretch, one long 90-second hold is often enough. End with a minute of relaxed breathing on your back.